Today we're going to see how to change the headlight bulb. So the customer complained about this bulb. It was out, it wasn't working right. So we need to maybe put a new bulb into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop up the hood. I'm gonna pop up this hood up. And then from there, I will show you guys how to replace headlight for Hyundai Santafe. I think it should apply to other brands of Hyundai for which are the same year too. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we're gonna do, we come here to open the hood, and then we just pop it up from here. That's the hood. Pull it out, and then we go up and open the hood. Okay, so this is the Sunday. So we're going straight just next to the battery. So we'll be going right here. This is where we're going to open to change this light right here. This is the bulb we're going to change. So we're going to come right here, and then we'll go anti-clockwise, and then we pop this one out. Once this one comes out, make sure the seal doesn't fall down. Make sure it's just all there. So next, you can see right inside there, that's where the bulb is. So let me just get something more closer and see if I can show you guys how it is. So right there you can see our bulb. What it does is that there is this clip holding this clip right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this clip out of right here, out of that hook right there. There's a hook down there. You pull the clip out of that hook, and get something to show you how to do that. So what you're gonna do is see the clip right there. That's the clip we're gonna pull out. Then once we pull out, then we can get out the bulb from inside there. So I'm going to go ahead, and then I'm going to just flip out, then take it out, and then once the clip is out, I push it all the way. Push it all the way here. I push it all the way to come all the way back here, and then I pull out the bulb from inside here, so the bulb will just come out just all straight. So this is a H7. This is a H7 bulb. So this one's I already changed this one earlier on, so I'm just showing the procedure of doing it. So this is a good one. So if you see right there, the bulb is working right. So after you change it, you just pull it out. So let's do something quickly. Let's see how to change it. So just pull this one right out. There you go. It comes out like that. Comes out like this. So that down there, this is what's remaining here. Then you can change it, and then after finishing changing, you can put it back. So once you put back, then we can just put it in. You can just put it in, and we just make sure we align it well. Just pull it right in, and I pull it right in over there. So once I pull it right in over there, make sure it just goes right in here. And this little goes right, it just balances right there, and then I just take the clip, and then I just put the clip back like that. So I just lock the clip in there. That's where you lock the clip to. You lock the clip to here. You lock the clip right there. Then you'll be all good. So after that, I make sure the clip is locked, and you bring on the cover right there, and then put it right in, and then lock it. Then you can lock it clockwise. You lock it clockwise, then now be all good. And then let's start the car and make sure that our bulb is working right. So we started the car is running now, and our bulb is working. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See see you next time. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, bye bye.